This is the canal on South H. There's the waterfall in here, on the waterfall. This is the IKEA parking lot for the people that go to IKEA up at Grapevine, just before you climb the hill. That's the way it is. That's the bus that takes the people to IKEA at the Grapevine. This is Liberty Christian Center on South H and McKee. This church has been here for many years. This is where people come and worship the Lord. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There it is. There it is, all the equipment ready. They're going to put the cement, and they're going to cement the whole thing in there. Everything's going to be fine and dandy because it will be good and gone, and it's going to be all right. Everything will be nice. Yeah, that's the semi truck. The semi truck that is bringing some drilling tubes or drilling pipes, because that's the way it does. It drills, and 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 it drills the whole thing. I'm serious, but it does drill a lot. This is the rebar that they use for the cement on the bridge, and that's the bridge right there. They're getting ready to build it up and make it good so that people can go through it and everything will be all right. But everything's going to be nice and dandy, and that's what it's going to be, okay? And that's the little shade there that they use here. That's it. Here it is. That's the bridge, and that's all the rebar that's being laid in there. All that rebar is going to be laid in there, and then they're going to come in with cement trucks and fill it all with cement. They're going to fill it up with cement everywhere. Everywhere is going to be built. Everywhere, all the place. Yeah, all this. Oh, that's the. Yeah, that's what it is. It's all that. All this is all the rebar that's been set up in there, so they can lay the cement, and all that's going to be made here, and it's going to be pretty good. I hope they finish it soon. I think maybe at the end of the year. I don't know, maybe so. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. This is the off-ramp. This is the bridge. That's where they're construction, everything. And this is the off-ramp right there. Right here is the off-ramp. That's going to be off-ramp right there. The freeway is going north from this side, and everything is going to be fixed. It should be finished by the end of January this year. Should be finished by then. Yeah, there it is. Those are the beams that go under the bridge to hold up all the cement up, and then they remove them later on. They will remove them because they're not going to stay there. They're just to hold up all that stuff there, and then everything's going to be all right. There it is. There it is. There it is. That's the bridge. That is the bridge. That is the bridge that is holding up the whole thing right there. And everybody is going to be happy with this bridge because it's going to be a nice bridge. It's going to be real nice, real good, real pretty, out of sight. It's going to be cool. It's going to be real nice, real pretty, all right, and cool in the gang. Cool in the gang, cool in the gang. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That's a crane right there. That is a crane.